Leo.
Good morning, Lina.
Did you bring your lunch today?
Yes, my mom made sandwiches.
Lucky, I have fruit and rice.
We can share. Deal.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit down. Today I have an important announcement. Next Friday we will have our annual school program.
Wow! Really?
Yes, really. Parents will come, the principal will be there, and every class will perform.
Will there be dancing?
Yes. Singing?
Yes.
Drama? Yes, and something more. Every student in this class will give a short speech on stage.
On the big stage?
Yes, on the main stage. That's fun!
No, it's not fun.
The topic is my dream. You will speak for 1 minute.
1 minute is long.
No, it is short, but you must practice. Lina,
Yes, ma'am?
you will speak first.
First?
Yes, you read clearly. I trust you.
Ma'am, in front of everyone?
Yes, this is a good chance to build confidence.
I feel nervous already.
That is normal. Nervous means you care.
Lina, you can do it.
Start preparing from today. Practice at home. Speak loudly and clearly. Remember, do not memorize only. Understand your speech.
Hey, why are you so quiet?
I don't want to go on stage.
Why?
Everyone will look at me.
That's the idea.
What if I forget everything?
I'll sit in front and smile.
That will not help.
It will.
My hands are already shaking.
Then this is good practice.
Good practice for what?
For being brave. What is your dream topic?
I don't know yet.
Think of something simple.
My mind is blank.
You always talk a lot. How can it be blank?
Talking to you is different. Stage is different.
True.
Do you feel scared?
A little. But I like stage.
I don't.
Then this is your challenge.
How was school?
Not good.
Why?
I have to give a speech on stage.
Oh, sweetie, it's okay.
What happened?
School program. I must speak first.
First, that's special.
That's scary.
What is the topic?
My dream.
So tell us, what is your dream?
I want to become a teacher.
That's beautiful. Then speak about that.
I will forget.
Then practice.
My voice will shake.
Then breathe slowly. Stand straight. Look at one friendly face.
What if people laugh?
They won't,
How do you know?
because everyone else is scared too. Brave people are not people without fear. They are people who speak even when they are scared.
That sounds difficult.
It is, but you can do it. Start now. We are your audience.
Good morning, everyone. I forgot. Good morning, everyone.
It's okay. Start again.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lina.
Louder.
My name is Lina.
Not angry louder, clear louder.
My dream is to become a teacher because teachers help children learn and grow.
Good. Continue.
A teacher can change a student's life.
Excellent sentence.
Why am I so scared?
It's just 1 minute.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lina.
No, not like that. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lina.
Smile a little. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lina. Today, I want to talk about my dream. My dream is to become a teacher because teachers help students believe in themselves. What if my mind goes blank? Then pause. Breathe slowly. Maybe I can really do this. Tomorrow, I will be braver than today.
Lina, big day!
Don't remind me.
Did you sleep?
Not really.
Same. I practiced in my bathroom.
I practiced in front of my mirror again.
Still scared?
Very.
Good.
Why is that good?
It means today matters.
My stomach hurts.
That's called stage butterflies.
It feels like stage elephants.
Everyone ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Lina, how are you feeling?
Honest answer?
Always.
My legs feel weak.
That is normal.
What if I forget everything?
Then pause.
And if people stare?
Let them. They are listening.
What if my voice shakes?
Let it shake. Keep speaking.
I'll sit in the front row.
Remember, speak slowly. Don't rush. You are not here to be perfect. You are here to express.
Now, students from grade 6 will share their dreams. First speaker, Lina.
Go.
This is your moment.
Okay.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Lina, and today I want to talk about my dream. My dream is to become a teacher. Many people think teachers only teach subjects like math or English. But I believe teachers do something much more important. They help students believe in themselves. A good teacher does not only teach lessons. A good teacher listens, encourages, guides, and inspires. I want to become that kind of teacher. A teacher who helps students find their voice. A teacher who supports them when they are afraid. But I am speaking anyway, because dreams grow when we are brave enough to try. Thank you.
Lina, that was so clear.
Was it really?
Yes, your voice didn't even shake.
It felt like it was shaking inside.
Inside maybe, outside strong.
I forgot one word.
Nobody noticed.
I paused.
That pause made it powerful.
I thought everyone was staring at me.
They were.
That's not helping.
Lina,
Yes, ma'am?
I heard confidence in your voice today.
I was still nervous.
Confidence does not mean no fear.
Thank you for believing in me.
I believed in you. Now you believe in yourself. How do you feel now?
Lighter.
That is the feeling of growth.
Lina!
Our speaker!
Please don't call me that in public. I feel shy, Dad.
You spoke so clearly.
Really?
I could hear every word.
I practiced every night.
We saw that.
I saw you both smiling.
We were proud.
I was so scared before going on stage.
And now?
I'm still shaking a little.
But you did it.
I did it.
What did you learn today?
Fear is loud before you try.
And after?
After it becomes small.
That's called courage.